Hello, my name is Nicole Engard, and I am the Director of Open Source Education at Bywater Solutions. Today's tutorial is going to show you how to use lists in your library catalog, powered by Koha 3.6. The first thing you want to do is open up your browser and visit your library catalog. For today's tutorial, I'm using my own library catalog, and so it might look slightly different than your library's, with different colors and text, but lists should still function the same way. Once you've got your library catalog open, you can visit the lists by clicking on this list button over here next to the search box. This will show you all the public lists your library has created. Lists are simply that. They are lists of items on a related topic. And so if we go to my open source list, from here I can see the books at the library that are related to open source. You can create lists as well. These lists can be books you have read, books you're interested in reading, books on a topic you're interested in, whatever you'd like. You do have to log into your account first, though. So, I'm going to log into my account. If you're unsure of your login information, be sure to ask your librarian. Once you're logged in, you're brought to your account summary. But we're not interested in our account summary right now. We're interested in creating a list. So the first thing we need to do is search for some items to put on that list. So I'm going to search for books about libraries. From my search results, I have a couple of choices. I can click the Save to List link under each individual result if I'd like, or I can check the box over on the side next to the results, and I can choose to add to a new list. The new list is going to pop up a window that's going to allow me to create my own private list. So I'm going to title this Libraries because I've got some resources about libraries, and I'm going to keep it private, meaning only I have access to it and only when I'm logged in. I'm going to save my list. Once I've done that, I can see my list by going to my account. So I'm going to click on my name up here in the corner and scroll down, and the last tab over on the left-hand side says My Lists. And here we go. I have a libraries list. When I click on this, it's going to show me the resources that I just added to that list. I can also get to my list by clicking on the List button, and then under Your Lists, as long as you're logged in, you'll see the new list that you created. And so it's just going to open up the same exact page when I click that. Lists are handy because you can use your list to compile a bunch of resources that you'd like to go pick up at the library. Simply put it all into the list like we just did, and then you can click the Print button up here and print the entire list. This will give you all the information you need when you get to the library to find your resources. You could also send your list to a friend or to someone you might be working on a project with by simply clicking Send List and filling in their email information. Lists are a very versatile tool within the library catalog, so make sure you take advantage of them and create your first list today. As always, if you have more questions about using your library catalog, be sure to ask your librarian. And if you're interested in learning more about Koha, you can visit us on the web at koha-community.org. Once again, this is Nicole Engard, and this has been a Bywater Solutions production. Visit us on the web at www.bywatersolutions.com.